Hello, welcome everyone. We are the next group. We are group HexSoft. So, yeah, we created a game. I'll start by telling you who we are. Way over there is Paul. He was in charge of the game logic. And he was pretty much a jack of all trades. He really helped with everything in the project. And next we have Alice, who's also in charge of game logic and testing, as well as part of the attack algorithms in the game. Next we have Ryan, who is our networking guru and responsible for the GUI that you see here. And next to him is Patrick, who did a lot of the graphic stuff, especially with the scene graph and animations. And the person closest to me is Eric. He was responsible for creating the models and the art for the game, as well as part of the networking, as well as implementing the sound. And finally, I'm Corey. I was responsible for a little bit of the graphics, mainly for the walking algorithm in the game, and I was also responsible for creating the music. So, that's who we are, and now we'd like 2 volunteers to try out our game. Okay, let's have brown shirt, raise his hand first, and you. Come up here. Okay, and one more. Okay, that person who's saying over here, very zealous in wanting to play this game. Get down on here. Okay. Okay, so while everyone is getting set up to play this tremendously great game, let me tell you a little about it. The title of this game is called Kings of Kohmaydie. Yes, okay. So, there's a story about 4 kings. Stephen Harvey from England, Bernard McIntyre from Wales, Diel Hugli from Spain, and King Frédéric de Entertainer from France. Yes. So, you know, these 4 kings, they don't really like each other because, you know, one of them's been stealing mail from the other ones, and the other one's been bumming money off of the other ones. You know how it is. So, war ensues. And it ensues in this land of Kohmaydie. And in this land of space and time rendered immortal, these 4 kings battle along with their warriors. You have the paladin, and he's a very strong character, very hearty, able to withstand attacks. And the next we have the warrior, who has an excellent movement range, as well as a very good area of effect attack. And our next character is the mage, one of our powerful characters. Pretty weak in the hit point department, but very strong and has pretty decent range. And finally, we have our archer. And our archer is a very good range attack unit. So those are our 4 characters, as well as you have your king, one of the kings you can control. And this game is essentially like a hybrid of chess and Final Fantasy Tactics, if you've ever played that before. So it's like chess because you have to protect your king, because once they get you, it's checkmate. You lost the game. So you want to be one of the only one of 4 players to have your king standing, because that is the way you'll be winning this game. Oh, and of course, if you ever run out of units, that's okay, because up there in the upper left-hand corner, you have your hex coins. And what you can do with the hex coins as it builds up in the game, via either naturally or you get more by attacking, and you can gain more hex coins that way, and you'll be able to buy more units. And by clicking one of those 4 buttons, depending on which unit you buy, you'll be able to produce more units into the game. And I believe it's a grand total of 9 units per player you could have maximum. So remember to always keep on top of things, and you will be the king of Kohmaydie. I pronounce it phonetically, so I don't know how it's spelled. Everything's a pun. So, are we all ready? So just take this time to enjoy the music that I wrote, because it's very beautiful and very soothing as we're getting this game ready. So each of your team is going to spawn in a corner. So just to let you all know that they're going to spawn in the corner, and that's where you're spawning your units as well. So for your players, you might want to know that. All right, here we go. Let the games begin. Okay, we got red player. He's starting out. Okay, I have to believe that's Eric. Kind of take it easy on our guest over here. He's very good at this game. Okay, we've got red attacking with your warriors. Take note of the animations that we have. Eric painstakingly made them as their fighting forces are fighting these finagly foot soldiers. So we got blue. Whoever's blue, I would advise moving your king and get ready to spawn. And yellow, I would advise moving because, yeah, you're about to get whooped on. You're about to be whooped on by blue and red. Oh, yes, the movement algorithm. As you can see, we can have Eric getting set for his movement algorithm. And as you can see, you click on a character and it produces all the available spaces you can move to. And I believe he has a total range of 6. When this algorithm takes advantage of the fact that there are obstacles in the way, so it will naturally determine what is the best route for going to the area. And of course, once again, Eric worked on the sound, so those are these wonderful loud sound effects. And okay, we got a battle going on. Green is being overtaken by blue, and red is starting to fight yellow. Okay, and another GUI feature that we have is, okay, each character has its own individual GUI element, and as you can see from the character, there's a symbol which represents your team. So some of the characters look the same. So you'll have a red, green, blue, or yellow star, which will tell you which character is yours. And underneath that, periodically, after you move, a white bar will appear, and that is your cooldown bar. You see, we implemented this game as a turn-based strategy, but we implemented it in real time by giving characters cooldown. So we have a white bar present every time you move or attack. And once you do that, you have to wait for that white bar to stop or to go down all the way. But that's okay because you have a bunch of characters and you can move many of them at the same time as long as their cooldown's out the way. And finally, the last bar is their health. And you can tell because if your health bar is almost completely red, that means you're almost drained of health. So keep an eye on those stats in order to, you know, make sure your character has health, or else you're gonna die. Okay, so at this point in time in our game, we've got green. Has green moved yet? Okay, we got blue attacking green, we got yellow in the corner over there, and we got red. Red is in their own space. Okay, don't be shy. Go in the middle of the battlefield, everyone. It's a battle. Okay. So we've got the movement. Oh, and green has just been eliminated from the game. So you just lost. You got your king destroyed. That was the problem. So we've got blue, and we got yellow, and we got red. Red is on the offensive. Please go easy on them. Okay. So, blue, you might want to go, well, you might want to spawn some units. See, as you can see, when Eric spawns more units, the hex coin count goes down. And as he kills units, it goes up very quickly because you get a bonus every time you kill a unit. So it's very good to get into the action, or else, you know, the red team's going to overwhelm everyone. Seems like red is taking on yellow. That's the main battle. While blue is kind of the neutral party in this. They are not really doing anything right now. So, blue, go down. Fight for valor. Fight for glory, blue. Yes, spawn more units. That's good. Good news. Now, head down to yellow and attack them. Or red. Yes, kill the king if you have an opening. It's very important. He's open. Do it! Make the final strike and strike the king! Oh my goodness, this is exciting, isn't it? Come on. Okay, we got blue. They're making more units. While red has got a mage, a very powerful character. Fortunately, you're pretty far away, so I would spend your time attacking yellow. Okay, yellow. Whoever's yellow, spawn more units. That would be very wise because you're about to... Yes, okay. So they exist from hyperspace, and now yellow has a warrior. Keep in mind you have an area of effect, and watch out for that archer that just destroyed you. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay. Yellow. Oh, my goodness, yellow, you gotta do something. Okay, he's got another warrior out. Okay, keep moving. Keep on moving. Okay, yellow. You've got... No one's attacking. Well, that's good news for yellow. Okay, we've got yellow going on the offensive on blue, and red is just dominating in this game of kings and other people. All right, let's see. Okay. Okay, yellow's fun. Yellow is still in it. How about you... I would advise red to split up your units and try a little bit of an advanced tactic and charging for blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. Red's going to be your enemy from now on because he has a lot of units and a lot of practice. So I would advise... Yeah. I would advise actually spawning warriors. They're the cheapest ones and they have a good barrier of effect and a good range for walking. So, you know, that would be the best strategy for you right now. Because, you know, right now it's a battle of quantity over quality. I mean, most of your players are the same, most of the characters, but you're being overwhelmed by red. So you might as well want to keep going. Also, if you have trouble moving your characters, you can move... Oh, no, 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 what happened? Oh. You busted the game. Huh? Well, with this game, everyone wins. Yay. I guess even the audience wins. You don't even have to be a participant. Everyone's a winner. I don't know. Do you guys have anything else that you wanted really badly to show off? We did have other music in the game, unfortunately, since it crashed. There was a win music and a defeat music, and that was it for me. Do you guys have anything else? Huh? That's it? Nobody? Come on, you guys did a lot of work in this game. This is your moment to shine. Shine like a shining star. Come on. Come on. That's it? Oh, you're so modest. Well, I suppose that's the it then. Thank you.